The markets are actually very, very interesting right now, guys. Toshi is one of the plays that I'm looking at because it's just under $300 million market cap. And we're going to be taking a look at why I believe the crypto market has bottomed out because gold, I believe, has topped out, guys. We're going to be taking a look at some Toshi news as well as some overall bullish crypto news as a holistic approach. If you guys are new around here, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day. I try to help you guys find the next 10, 20, 50, even 100x gem in the market. Trust me, guys, we have done it before. We've called a bunch of bangers here on this channel. So if you guys are new, all I ask in return for these consistent uploads, I upload 2 to 3 videos every single day, is that you guys subscribe, you hit the bell notification, and you like this video so that you show YouTube, hey, push this out to the algorithm a little bit more. Now, Toshi family, base family, have some very exciting news. Obviously, Toshi is a project that I very strongly believe in, and you guys are looking at it right now at a discount. And again, we're not just talking about Toshi today. We're going to be talking about gold. We're talking about Bitcoin. Let's get right into today's video. Now, before we even talk about coin market cap and take a look at Toshi by itself, guys, the first thing I wanted to show you is the fear and greed index over on alternative.me. Now, you can see the fear and greed is sitting at extreme fear levels. These are the levels, guys, that you want to be accumulating. Again, I cannot stress this enough. If you do not have any more dry powder left to go ahead to scoop up some more crypto, what you should be doing right now is making no move at all. Guys, the worst possible thing that you could do right now is rotate your bags into something else. If you are somebody right now who is selling Bitcoin, and let's say, for example, you're buying a physical commodity such as gold, you're going to get wrecked. I'm telling you guys, you are going to get wrecked. However, in the crypto space right now, if you are one of the few people who are like, okay, you know what, I'm not going to make a move in the market right now, everything is a little in panic mode, not sure what's going on. If that is, if you're on that side of the fence, then great, guys. Not making a move in the market is a move in and of itself. So extreme fear levels, obviously I've been in the market, guys, since 2017. The biggest thing I can say that I have learned is that you buy the fear, you sell the greed. It's easier said than done every single time because your emotions, you're not getting that confirmation from your emotions that you're making the right choice. You're obviously going to feel like you're making a dumb decision, that it could drop even further. And I do not blame you guys because we've had these crashes over and over and over again, and we were, I don't want to say promise, but the entire outlook, the entire narrative was that October was going to be only up October. Now, does this change the trajectory of the bull market? Absolutely not. This is just a minor setback, and I do believe, guys, that we will recover very soon. Now, when it comes to specifically for Toshi, you can see, well, at the recording of this video, it's back above over 300 million now, and we're kind of hovering around the area. In the last month, it is down 18%. In the last 7 days, down 16%. In the last 24 hours, had a little bit of a bounce along with everything else. Now, here's the thing. We cannot individually look at these mid-cap plays, guys, and try to do technical analysis on it because that's really not going to work. You need to look at the overall crypto market as a whole, right? You're not just looking at a couple companies or whatever here. The overall crypto market is going to move with Bitcoin and it's going to move with Ethereum. And if we take a look at Ethereum right now, guys, it is hovering at around 3,888, 84, 3,900 more or less, guys. We need this project back above 4K. We need it to start running yet again. And when that happens, that is when you're going to see all these meme coins, these mid-cap plays start to run once again. Now, Ethereum, for me, I personally believe, guys, it is going to smash past 5,000. Maybe in the month of October, right? Maybe in November it goes into $5,000 range. But it's not a matter of if that's possible. It's just a matter of when. I'm telling you guys, Ethereum, 10K. Even if it's not this bull run, it's going to happen. Bitcoin, $1 million, obviously not going to happen this bull run, but it will happen, guys. So if you are looking for entries just for long-term holding, you are looking at some discounts, some crazy dips in the market right now. Obviously, not financial advice. I can't tell you guys when to buy and when to sell. That's not what I'm trying to do. All I'm trying to say is, guys, we've seen this exact thing happen in the past, and we're seeing the same thing happen again. So Toshi family, do not be scared. Do not be fearful right now if you see your bags down. I know that the Toshi family is one of the most bullish communities out in crypto, and if I know one community is bullish, that is definitely them. You can see here that we are literally in this support area that I've been talking about for a while now. I mean, this was marked off a really long time ago, since January of this year. we have been in an upward trend. And again, guys, if we retest this low here, maybe in October, specifically this upward trend here, that is going to be a huge flash of a buy. Okay, right now, even right now, I think there's a huge buying opportunity because again, we are at the that support area that we saw a bounce off of in September. You can see here when we got to this level before, we rallied up 50%, right? And from this upward trend here back in I think this was September 18th, we are up 86% to the top here. So obviously the upward trend is strong. You can see every time it bounced off of it, continued to make higher highs and higher lows, and that is still what we are doing right now. This is one of the healthiest charts in crypto right now, guys, okay? Honestly speaking, and let's take a look at what the community has to say. Obviously, go follow Toshi over on X because you want to be up to date with all the relevant information that comes out from the project. It is one thing to hear from me, but it's another to get it straight from the source. So make sure you guys are doing that. As much as I appreciate you guys tuning in every single day, I also want you guys to be educated investors. Now, we're partnering with Real Go Official, so obviously you're going to be able to play as Toshi within this game, which I think is super cool. That is something that I admire, right? Regardless of the market sentiment, a team that is building, a team that is communicating, a team that's coming up with collaborations and partnerships is a team that gets a +1 from me, a thumbs up from me, guys. And Toshi is doing that. They're becoming more than just a meme coin. They're becoming a global scale, a relevant brand in the space. Toshi spotted on Crypto Banter. Of course, we are on some S tier type of stuff over here. Again, fairly solid. You can see it's kind of funny that Brett is on an A tier. I think that is actually really funny. Let's keep going. I've been watching Toshi closely and things are going just as planned. The chart still looks clean after a small pullback to point B. It's setting up for the next big move up. The first goal is around 545 million, where we could see the first strong reaction and some profit taking. If the trend keeps going strong, the next big target is around 705 million, which matches the 2.618 fib level. That's where I see the real breakout zone forming. Volume is rising, the community is active, and the setup looks solid. Everything for Toshi is still moving step by step, just how it should. Now let's switch over to the global overall crypto market, kind of figure out what's going on. This is going to sound a little nuts to some people, but right now would be the smartest time to sell gold and buy Bitcoin. 100% agree. Breaking news, October rate cuts are now at 100% chance of happening. Absolutely ridiculous. The gold top equals the Bitcoin bottom. You can see 2020 proved it. 2025 is about to repeat it as well. So this is the gold top in 2020. And you can see, guys, it kind of matches out perfectly with the Bitcoin bottom in 2020. And then it rallied to make some crazy highs. Gold top in 2025 at 4,300 could potentially signal the Bitcoin bottom that we are going to see for this bull run. And then, hey, we send it to absolutely who knows what. Listen, if you guys enjoyed this video, just remember, smash that like, subscribe, hit that bell notification because it does go a long way. We recently just hit 18,000 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for the support. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, family. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care and peace out, y'all.